In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add optical flow to videos in CapCut. Optical flow is a powerful effect that analyzes the motion between frames and creates extra frames in between. This makes your clips look much smoother, especially if you're working with slow motion or fast camera movements. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video clip you want to work with and drag it down onto the main timeline. Make sure you've selected the exact section you want to apply optical flow to. If your clip is longer than needed, trim the beginning or end so you're only working with the part you actually plan to use in your final edit. This will save time when CapCut starts processing the effect. Next, if your goal is smooth or slow motion, adjust the speed of your clip before you turn on optical flow. Select the clip, open the speed controls, and slow it down to your desired percentage. Go for a value that still looks natural. If you slow it down too much, even optical flow may struggle to keep the motion clean. Once you're happy with the speed, confirm the change and play it back quickly to see how it looks without any motion enhancement. Now it's time to enable optical flow. With your clip still selected, look for the frame interpolation or motion enhancement options, depending on your version of CapCut. Choose the optical flow option from the available methods. When you apply it, CapCut will begin analyzing the motion in your video and generating new in-between frames. This may take a little while if your clip is long or your device is not very powerful, so be patient and let it finish. When the processing is complete, play the clip back from the start. Watch carefully for areas with fast movement, such as hands, hair, or quick camera pans. If you notice any weird warping or ghosting, try slightly increasing the speed again or trimming out the most problematic moments. Sometimes a small adjustment can dramatically improve the result. Finally, once you're satisfied with how smooth everything looks, you can continue editing. Add your music, transitions, and color grading, and then export your project. With optical flow properly set up, your motion will look much more polished and professional, even if the original footage was shot at a lower frame rate.